In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Shopify app on laptops. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is head onto your web browser and simply search for Shopify CLI install. So you will see this link says install Shopify CLI, so it should be shopify.dev. So just click here. And from here, as you can see, you want to go here in the Windows section. So now just simply click here on Ruby installer for Windows. And as you can see right here, you can download this types of version of the Ruby kit. And after you download it, just simply follow these instructions. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.